नमस्कार
नमस्ते
नमस्कार
वणक्कम
खुशामदीद
अस्सलामुअलैकुम मी गंदरिकी वंदनमो
जय स्वामीनारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जिनेन्द्र
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं या अली मदद
और हमारे सारे फीजी बंधुओं को बोले हम लोग बुला बुला निशान बुला
हम आ गए हैं बंधु जान
मतलब आपके प्यारे महिमा के दुलारे मैसेज फालतू बाबा
एंड माइसेल्फ फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और सुपर डी डुपर फ्राइडे वाली शो ये शाम मस्तानी
जिसको सुन के आप सब बोलेंगे मजबूर होके वाह आलतू बाबा वाह फालतू रानी
चालू हो गया तेरा फिर से वही कहानी
What is this? What are you talking about?
हाँ राइडिंग वाली कहानी
Of course, I mean तो करना पड़ेगा my dear. And of course आपको बोलते हैं कि आज का show is going to be super duper awesome because I like the show today.
I like the show today. What do you mean?
मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
You don't like the show otherwise?
Because आज हम लोग बंधुजन फ्राइडे सिनेमाओं के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं.
फ्राइडे सिनेमाओं के बारे में
Yes.
ओह मूवी रिलीजेस के बारे में
No, फ्राइडे सिनेमाओं के बारे में.
आलतू तूने टॉपिक चेंज कर दी क्या
अरे बाबा आज फ्राइडे है ना?
हाँ.
Do something filmy, right?
हाँ.
तो हाँ तो फ्राइडे सिनेमाओं के बारे में.
तूने बोला मुझे मदर्स डे के बारे में कुछ करेंगे ऐसे
हाँ
वैसे
वही
सब
ना
कुछ बोला
फ्राइडे सिनेमाओं के बारे में.
वही तो माँ से सिनेमा कहाँ आ गई
नहीं रे सिनेमाओं के बारे में. Yes. Yes, the moms are taking cinema as one of their professions, so उनको बोलते हैं हम लोग सिनेमाएं.
That is right.
Well, but variety बहुत है. You know, supposed to cinema मतलब people actually have acted or women who acted as ma's in cinemas. No, we're talking about सिनेमाएं जो सिनेमा फील्ड से रिलेटेड है और माँ भी है, माएं भी हैं.
आय हाय हाय हाय.
Yes.
तो आलतू मियाँ
Yes, my dear.
तो अभी यानी कि सिनेमाएं हैं यानी कि सिनेमा में माएं हैं या सिनी में माँ सिनी स्टार है जो अभी माँ है
Exactly.
या हुई है या कुछ ऐसा
Could be any kind of equation फालतू could be सिनेमा में जो है
हाँ.
वो माँ बनता है ना
हाँ.
मतलब not because सिनेमा I'm talking about सिनेमा की माँ है तो सिंपल एंड प्लेन माँ जिनका कनेक्शन है सिनेमाओं के साथ.
हाँ
Okay?
हाँ
There you go. Simple and plain. Now, but ये क्या है ना कि आज का show पे is going to be talking about them celebrating all the moms. Well, every show of ours celebrating moms for sure. And आज तो मैं बताऊँ कि today we want to celebrate the moms who actually are juggling multiple things in their whole life. Work as well as
But
being
as well,
moms.
being moms.
Because being moms, as you all know, but is a full-time job.
Exactly.
It totally is full-time. Everything is part-time for them.
Huh.
And I don't know how they do it. They do a really wonderful job. And hats off to all the moms out there.
Ah.
Yep.
Ah.
What's
Hats off
Are
to
you
all-
lost for words by any chance right now? Because I can't believe you're lost for words.
No, actually, I'm not lost for words. I'm trying to type a status update on Facebook while talking on the radio.
So
also.
obviously you're lost for words because you're actually pouring all your words on Facebook.
Yes, exactly.
Right? So you're actually agreeing that you're actually doing multiple things right now.
Ha, ha.
You're trying to multitask.
Uh-huh.
You. Why would you do that?
Yes, yes.
When you know you cannot do it, why do you do it?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
हाँ
I'm awesome, right?
हाँ
I'm
तो
the best.
स्टूडियो का नंबर है 408 तूने बोला ठीक क्या है राइट
हाँ बोल दे
हाँ
रही.
हाँ 408-912-247
Bus, only thing what you have to say right now, you're going to give the phone number. You're going to give out the question people are going to call you from.
408-912-247
Not the phone number. I'll give the phone number as 408-912-247. But you give out what is the thing they're going to be calling about.
हाँ ओह मुझे स्पॉट भी डालना है आज तो बाबा
मैं तुझे स्पॉट पे क्यों डालूं बात फालतू तो ऑलरेडी स्पॉट पे है. राइट नाउ बट लेट मी टेल यू इस स्पॉट लाइट पे है भी. इफ यू कैन मेक आउट द लाइट इज ब्राइटेस्ट ऑन हर राइट नाउ बिकॉज़ स्पॉटलाइट इज फोकसिंग ऑन हर टोटली. लेकिन फालतू नहीं. Whatever this, I'll tell you what. Whatever activity we have for Bandus take part in today, right? Like whatever games we have for them, right? That's still okay. But what's more important right now is to actually understand what they stand to gain by calling our show today. Come on, tell us.
Oh, so Bandhujan, you have a whole bunch of gift certificates to win. Now, you know we have Moms and Sangeeta contest going on, right?
Yeah.
So we have the Sangeeta restaurants who are actually going to be doing the wonderful Mother's Day celebration. So we're going to pick a mom today and who is actually going to be dining at Sangeeta restaurants on our dime, so to speak.
Exactly.
That's one gift that we have
On
for
our
you.
dime at our table.
Yes.
So it doesn't mean dime as you sit on a dime we're going to keep it on the table. No, we're talking about actually we pay for the food.
Yeah. Okay, so aside from that, Bandhujan, हमारे वंडरफुल स्पॉन्सर्स हैं श्री ज्वेलर्स। तो उनकी तरफ से जो अक्षय तृतीया उनका स्पेशल हो रहा है, which is happening next week. Well, Sri Jewelers has extended for Mother's Day a very special gift voucher for some of our bandhus. So, some of the moms out there, or some of the kiddos out there, or some of the men out there can win a gift certificate from Sri Jewelers for your beautiful, the wives or your moms or yourselves, ladies. You can win yourself something from Sri Jewelers. It could be necklaces, it could be earrings. You never know what it is. So, you have to start dialing in.
Yeah.
And इसके अलावा आज हम लोग फरहान अख्तर के टिकट भी देने वाले हैं, right?
Of course, but Jan, if at all you want to win all those things, you know what you got to do, right? Just call our show right now. 408-913-2479 40891224 में कॉल कीजिएगा आप देख के अभी
408-912-2479 इस नंबर पे आपको कॉल करना है और हमारे साथ यहाँ पे शामिल होना है। तो आज सिनेमा के बारे में मतलब क्या होगा अंत बाबा?
No, see, I'll tell you what, काफी सारे ऐसे सिनेमा एक्ट्रेसेस हैं जो हमारे यहाँ हिंदी फिल्म में हीरोइन के तौर पे काम कर रही हैं और मेजर लीड रोल्स में, and they actually have gone on with their lives, you know, they actually also had a family, they've had kids, and they've actually gone on to become moms. है ना? So we're going to talk about them today.
Right.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to play a song right now, and we'll ask our bandhus, can you recognize a cinema in this?
Arey wow, that is nice.
We've been asking people guess which cinema it is from. We're going to ask them which cinema it is.
So
how about that?
Yes, absolutely.
You want to start with something?
It is not a cinema. It's a cinema.
Exactly, cinema. Tell us who is the cinema, not what is the cinema here. Yes, in this place, grammatically we are right. Tell us who is the cinema in this particular song coming right now. But Jan, here you go. Fazrani, you're supposed to play when I say here you go.
Okay, here you go. आज फिर मरने का इरादा है, आज फिर जीने की तमन्ना है, आज फिर मरने का इरादा है। आप सोचोगे मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? मुझे यहाँ पे ऐसे ही खड़े होने के लिए बोला गया है, मुझे पनिशमेंट दिया गया है। I'm stand here while you guys are watching us over there. I'm not even supposed to dance. आज फिर जीने की तमन्ना है, आज फिर मरने का इरादा है, आज फिर जीने की तमन्ना है, आज फिर मरने का इरादा है। आपको अगर यहाँ पे कॉल करना है, आपके लिए भी नंबर है 408-912-2479। अगर आप देख रहे हैं, in case we don't get in connection with you over the next 2 days, to all the moms watching, wish you a very, very happy Mother's Day, and to all the men who have moms in their life, wish them on our behalf a very happy Mother's Day.
आज फिर जीने की तमन्ना है,
आज फिर मरने का इरादा है।
एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपको बस कॉल करना है आज एंड कहना है कि इसमें सिनेमा कौन थी।
आपको कॉल करना है 4089122479। अगर आप सोच रहे अरे क्या बात कर रहे हो, यही तो सिनेमा है।
वही तो सिनेमा है बंदूजन।
बिल्कुल, हम भी वही कह रहे हैं, वही तो सिनेमा।
लेकिन बताए कौन है सिनेमा इसमें?
हाँ,
Hello.
4089122479।
Hi, Pam, who's this? Sunita, where are you calling from? Sunnyvale. All right, Sunita, you called us before, haven't you? This is your first time? Whoa! Yuppity-duppity-doo! All right, Sunita, I'm excited to call us the very first time. So tell us, how long have you been listening to us, though? How
कब से
long?
सुन रहे हो डार्लिंग? How long have you been listening to us?
Couple of months, very good. So couple of months से आप खुश है, very good. That's nice.
Exactly.
Very good, very good. तो सुनीता जी बताइए ना, हमने पूछा कि आज के इस शो में we going to talk only of the cinema.
Right.
Right. So सिनेमा में आप बताइए इस गाने में कौन सी सिनेमा थी?
हाँ, किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग? So we asked you कि इस गाने में कौन सी सिनेमा थी,
है।
यानी कि who is this actress who is a cine star and is a माँ?
कौन
है?
Okay, doesn't matter. Here's what you gotta do. Go to our first Facebook page and post it there when you get a chance. We'll go on a call and see what they have to say. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम के Friday Cinema में. Who's this?
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Pam.
कौन है जी?
Hi, Pushpa ji. How are you doing? Very good. I think a little bit soft voice today.
Yes, is this better, पुष्पा जी? ऐसे बात करें तो आपको सुनाई देगा क्या?
I hope you can hear us.
हाँ.
ना
कौन सी
सिनेमा
सिनेमा थी? हाँ.
Who was cinema in this? Wahida Rahman बोलते हैं यहाँ पर. How sure of this, Pushpa ji? Are you sure about that? Of course, she's very confident.
She's
Right?
very confident.
I like the confidence in her. Yeah, I like the confidence. So here's what you got to do, Pushpa ji. Very simple. यही confidence को लेके हमारे Facebook जाके post कर दीजिएगा, please.
Facebook.com/Radio D Hotties and Pushpa ji आपको very happy Mother's Day as well advance में and आपको #Happy Mother's Day लगाना पड़ेगा on our Facebook page. Thank you so much. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम के ये शाम मस्तानी में पैम जी.
Who is this? Hello. Oh my God, Pragya
Wow.
from Arizona. How's the weather down there? Oh my God! Woo! We love first-time callers.
We love all our callers.
Yeah, you know why? Because you're a first-time caller. We are first. Ah. She's on Facebook.
Wow.
Hi.
Hi, Pragya.
Hi, Pragya.
Hi, Pragya.
Especially
Good to
for
see
you, dude.
Mwah. Mwah. For you, okay?
Hearts coming your way, Pragya.
Yeah. So heart.
We're talking to a Facebook user who's live with us.
Yes,
I feel like Farah Akhtar already.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pragya, I have a question.
Yeah.
I just a question, Pragya.
Ha, bolo. What do you know the do you know the cinema in the song that we just played?
नरगिस आज फिर जीने की तमन्ना है, आज फिर मरने का इरादा है.
नरगिस कभी ऐसे डांस नहीं कर सकती.
नरगिस.
Nurgis.
You're calling from Arizona. We love you so much. Can we urge you to change your answer a little bit?
Yes. Please change your answer. It's not Nurgis.
Can we urge you to change your answer a little bit right now? Can you think of some other heroine? Okay, so now see, we did not influence that at all, okay? You chose to change the answer yourself, right?
You chose to change the answer, correct?
Correct? Yeah, correct, right? Yeah, okay.
Right.
That's it keeps us clear, actually.
So, you're sure, right? You're going to lock it in for
Lock it in.
Wahida Rahman, right?
Yes, if you're on Facebook, we're giving you a signal. No, hello? No.
No, are you watching us on Facebook while you're talking to us?
Yes, you're watching.
Dude.
Oh, dude, you
Okay.
should. Okay. See, you chose. Well, you know what I'm going to say.
Yeah.
Second option is the best option always.
Yes, you should always go with your second.
Yeah.
Now.
No. Very good. Yes. Pew. Yes.
Woo! You're so smart. Yeah.
Oh my God! How did she get it? I was like, I was trying to deviate her from the answer, but she got
I
it.
think we should give her 268,000 points.
You know what? Add another 100 points on my end.
100 points. 268,100 points
Yes.
for you. For you.
Just for you.
Pragya.
And by the way, I'm very stingy with my points, okay?
And we love your name, by the way. Yeah?
Pragya, we love your name, yes.
Yes. Yes. In fact, our Mahima ji used to love that name too.
Yes, I totally have my emotions attached to that name actually.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, we're not joking.
We're not
we mean
joking.
it very seriously.
Yeah, somebody I love really, really dearly is her name after your name.
Oh.
Oh yes, you have to be because you're very good. You got the right answer also. After I was coaxing you a little bit.
Exactly.
Yeah. Hey, but Pragya, thank you so much. Arizona, man, it's like awesome. It's like a new territory for me. I feel like an alien already.
So you must feel right at home on Radio D Hotties because everything is very hot in Arizona. So we are also very hot.
Exactly.
So you feel very, very like totally at home. Hotter, 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 hotter.
Right, Pragya?
He was going to Arizona.
Yeah. Right, Pragya?
Pragya, are you there? Okay, I think we lost Pragya. Okay,
we lost Pragya.
Pragya, you know the drill. जो
happens,
आप
it's
Arizona
hot
से
there.
सुन रहे हो हमारे Facebook पे जाकर पोस्ट कर दीजिएगा facebook.com/RadioDHotties जो हमें जितना प्यार करते हो वहाँ पे लगा दो क्या पता Arizona से कोई स्पॉन्सर आ जाए और आप उनकी तरफ से आपको कुछ गिफ्ट मिले You never know, right?
Exactly. Everybody in Arizona, please arise, Hona. What?
Otherwise, phone.
We get up, start listening to us. Anyway, but right now we got to take a break, but we're going to take one more call if we go to the
No, let's play the Tata Gana.
Tata Gana?
एक और गाना नहीं लगाना?
Okay, fine. You know what, Bandhu, sorry, brother, we took you on air, but we're going to put you back on hold right now. What you do is please hold the line. Don't go anywhere because Falswani is about to play one more Gana, right?
You want to play or not? You tell me. You can
I
put
don't
Bandhu
know.
on the spot
Up
if
to
you
you,
want.
Falswani, because we've got time to take a break right now.
Okay, let's take a break and come back.
Yes, but don't go anywhere. Keep right there. We're going to take a break. We'll be right back after this. Hello, everyone. Arizona. Hi, Pragya.
Hi, Pranya.
Well, awesome right now, guys. Just because Pragya tuned in from Arizona, I'm in a good mood to extend the particular video on Facebook for another 20 minutes.
So, आप ही call करो ना?
Call करो.
Whether you're from or not from Arizona. See what I did there?
And I thought I was bad with all the puns.
Hey, it was rhyming, not puns, dude.
Okay, fine. Okay, whatever. All right, good. So, Viljan, she's sipping on tea. She's not giving anything to me right now.
You know? I actually asked somebody to make it for me.
You have a personal tea maker. I don't. Yeah, I'm the poor guy. Yeah, I'm the Baba. Fakir.
Attention all high school students. The SAT and ACT
I can't say certain things on video feed.
Please say it. I want you to say it. I want people to see how mean you are.
No, I can't.
She's average.
You're above average.
Yes, I am.
Oh, Sabrina got a guitar and all.
Oh, yeah. Guys, if you didn't
For
know
those of you who are on the while we're on this.
yeah, let me entertain you a little bit right now. Okay. I'm gonna play some music for you guys, but Father, can you sing some notes for me?
Pendant sets, diamond bracelets, diamond finger and earrings, jewels, cannons, a great selection of 22 karat gold.
A dear, a female deer, ring a myself, a golden star.
Okay, enough.
उसको कुछ नहीं आता मुझे
Excuse me. What are you talking about? मेरे पास एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन नहीं, गिटार है.
How is that making any sense?
It doesn't.
5570.
I love my guitar.
5570.
I got a name for it also.
Matrix. Someone is playing a game before meeting friends at the Edit Bar. They have drinks and they grab a meal at Dirty Farms Bar and Grill. Then in front of the big screens, they all celebrate someone's new scores and win. Turn it up 24 only after
Is the break done?
just off 101.
Shall I go take a siesta break and come back?
The basketball playoffs, Zone 8, on a 200-inch HD. or while you play on the casino floor. Delicious food and drinks.
Would you like some masala chai? Go make it for yourself.
I told you she's mean.
Hello, excuse me, just threw you on the bus there.
He is backed by an A-plus rated insurance company that has paid out more than $550 million in claims. They have the best warranty at the best
Is that a
price
4
with
minute?
no monthly
5 minute? Oh my god, hi! So many people. Pragyan Das, hey, thank you. Nizamuddin Kohi, hi!
Hi, Kohi!
Barun Dev Sharma.
Barun,
Very nice.
hi, Barun.
Hi. If you were going to sing that song for Faltu Rani, he will song
me?
Faltu Sing. I didn't pay you to make his speech.
See, she has somebody who works on our payroll, and the person loves me, so they make this money. It's not the money, dude.
And it's going to keep on getting hotter and hotter. And it's going to keep on getting hotter and hotter and hotter. Because the hotties.
Yeah.
सब कुछ hot हो जाता है.
Excuse me. Only the chai, nothing else.
Yeah,
okay?
exactly.
And right now, we got to take a callers waiting line. They're waiting patiently, okay? So we got to take them. Come on, Faltwani.
Huh.
Let's go.
Hello, Pam Pam, Konaji.
Hello, hi, who's this? Hello?
Hello.
Who is this? Okay, if you're not going to talk, we'll go next caller. Thank you, I love you too. Hello? Pam, who's this? Hello?
अम्मा यार
Amma Yara.
बात करो यार.
Tell us Amma.
मेरे को लगता है ना हाँ माँ.
Okay.
एक और लगाना. 408-912-247. I get another Bandu already.
Hello, hi, who's this? Pam. Hello? Hi, Pam, who's this? Hi, Mangala. How are we doing, Mangala? You're a first time caller to our show, correct? Woohoo! Today, again, is going to be called the first time show. And good thing I brought my guitar today.
First time caller show.
So I'm going to sing a song for you, Mangala. Ready?
Yeah, he's gonna sing. Oh.
No?
Okay, for every
Fine,
first time
I'm not going to sing a song. Fine, okay. I know.
Okay, Mangla. So you
Okay.
decide. You're gonna decide
Okay,
the fate of
fine.
the rest of our callers.
Okay.
And you're gonna say, "Ki should Altu Baba sing a song every time a first time caller comes on?" Please say no.
Yes. All right. Okay. You prefer to have a kind of a English song, a Hindi song? Excuse me, could you please move around? My guitar's not able to find its way. What?
Okay, go.
What go?
Press play, whatever.
Hey, no, it's too congested here. Mangala, one second, hold on. Hey, I'm not able to move the guitar inside. That's it. Okay. Can you please take it out? Hello. Falsarani, please stand here.
Altu Baba,
What happened?
Mangala. Sorry, your song will have to wait for May 20th. You can come here. That day I'm going to take off if Altu Baba is going to be singing. You can come here and you can listen to all the songs that he's going to sing. Now, please do not subject me to this. It's cinema show today.
Okay, fine. Cinema show. Okay, we're not going to change the thing, okay?
Okay. So, Mangala, go ahead. Are you ready for a contest that we're going to do right now? We're going to give you a Ghana, okay? And then you have to like identify ki kaun si cinema.
Isme hai.
Ha. Are you ready?
Ready? Here you go.
Okay. Here you go.
Enough. We're going to ask her. We're going to ask her right now. Are you still there? Hello, Mangala? Okay, so Mangala, tell us, who is the cinema in this cinema?
Bata.
Bata, Mangala. Are you sure about that?
Google कर दिया?
हाँ.
Google कर.
All right. And by the way, happy Mother's Day to you, Mangala,
Yes.
and to all the mothers in your life.
तो मंगला ये बताओ कि you know that do you know if Mumtaz has kids?
Well, okay. Let me. Not many people know that, Father,
Yes,
because
yes.
she's unfortunately married to son-in-law who is sorry. Her daughter is married to son-in-law who's not very famous.
Her daughter
Fardeen
is
Khan.
married to a guy. Oh.
Yeah.
Fardeen Khan is not famous.
Oh, he
You
is?
know whose son he is? He's Firoz Khan's son.
See that word? No, he's from Firoz Khan.
Oh, that's true. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, she
But
does.
okay. But anyway, she actually is Mumtaz. Yes,
But
July.
her kids never came into the movies, huh?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, but that is the Cine Ma that we're talking about today,
Yeah.
and that is Mumtaz, of course, a beautiful, beautiful actress, very impish kind of actress, and बहुत अच्छी जोड़ी जमती थी उनकी काका के साथ.
Kaka, मतलब Rajesh Khanna.
That's right, and congratulations,
Mangala!
Mangala!
You're a first-time caller, so go to our Facebook page. All first-time callers, remember one thing, when you call us over here, first of all, have a lot of fun, and second thing is be happy in life, and third thing is, of course, make sure that on Facebook you go and post to there, and a hashtag, I love Pam Pam, as ILUV.
I love
Pam
Pam
Pam.
Pam. आपको जाके हमारे Facebook पे पोस्ट करना है facebook.com/radio-hotties. And Mangala, thank you so much. You, my dear, I'm just going to randomly pick. You're going to be one of the winners of our Shri Jewelers contest.
Oh my God, Mangala, what a day. Mangala, awesome. Are you still there, Mangala? Are you excited?
Are you excited?
Okay,
Ah.
show it to us. How excited are you?
Huh. Very.
Very, that's all?
अरे you can do better, yeah.
Very, I can't hear you how much it's very.
Shouldn't you at least say, Yahoo, Yahoo, Google, blah, blah, blah. Something that way. Come on, give us some shout out.
Come on.
Yay!
There you go.
There you go.
Careful, your throat is breaking already. So go do some gargling and some, salt water, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want you to fall sick because you're going to have a wonderful time this Mother's Day.
Woohoo! And let's tell you, Mother's Day se yaad aaya, Banjan.
Kya hai,
All
bro?
of you who plan to take your mommies out,
Uh-huh.
there's this wonderful restaurant called Sangeeta Restaurants. Those of you from Chennai and Bangalore already know, and if you've been in Dubai, if you've been in the Middle East, you've been in Singapore, Malaysia and all that, you already know that Sangeeta Restaurants is the best when it comes to South Indian vegetarian khana. So, they are doing a special for Mother's Day where you guys can take your moms. If you want to make a reservation, call them right away. Sangeeta Restaurants on El Camino Real. And what they're doing is, if you dine there on Mother's Day, Bandhajam, they're actually donating 5% of the entire sales, not the proceeds. Remember guys, the entire sales, 5%, they're actually going to be donating to everymothercounts.org. So a mother who's really in need gets the money. So please do go ahead and support that cause because it's all about simple, sustainable and South Indian.
That's very true. And right now, we'll just be complicated and we'll be totally sustainable being a really hottie.
Okay.
That's right.
Huh.
Suppose a text or Facebook while you're doing a show. It's written over here in bold.
Kaundinya, you just got it from me. You watch do. I'm getting text messages
So,
from me. What
excuse
do I
me,
do?
see ya, in this yellow manual,
Huh.
page number 36,
Huh.
it says very clearly,
What? Oasis,
there are
Logic,
two logic
IO,
cards.
Guard.
Oh, sorry, wrong booklet.
Yeah, so for the chat.
Yeah, so we don't have a rules booklet, so what?
I want to give a shout out to another one of our bandhus who's tuned in all the way from Australia.
Oh my God, down under!
Yes, Ananya Kamunachin.
Oh, she's a Bengali.
Apni Bengali.
Very good.
Ami
Sundara
Gulati.
Khabe.
Ha, nahi.
Ha, Roshogulla.
Ha.
Vishon Mishti.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি too. Well, okay, right now, India, very good. Happy Mother's Day to you also.
Right?
Anybody, all the mothers in your life. of
Oh,
course.
okay, we don't know if you're a mother yet.
You don't know, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, all the best.
Yeah.
If you are going to be anyway. So right now, let's go to our bandhu call waiting line.
Let's go. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पाम पाम के
शाजिया जी,
शाजिया जी।
आप यकीन नहीं मानोगे, मुझे मालूम था कि आज आप कॉल करेंगे.
शाजिया जी लगता है
तो रोज करूंगी आपको सुनने के लिए I will do anything and call you.
Oh, so sweet.
so
Sanjay
sweet.
जी. You're so nice. संजय जी, आपके लिए हम लोग नए गाने के साथ आएंगे. ओके, ये गाना जो है ना, कौन से फिल्म मुझे मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन आपको बोलना पड़ेगा इसमें कौन से सिनेमा है.
हाय
रेडी?
आपको बताना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Are you ready?
गौर कीजिएगा, बस 30 सेकंड या 1 मिनट प्ले करेगा इसको, राइट?
मस्त गाना है एंड उसके
मस्त
बाद
गाना है.
बैक टू बैक गाने लगेंगे.
बैक टू बैक गाना के इसके बारे में, लेकिन शायद जी सुनिएगा गौर से. आहा. अखियों ने ऐसा डाला, कजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरी कुर्बान, लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे. Hey.
थोड़ा तो बचने दे.
थोड़ा क्या, ज्यादा बचेगा बाद में. बहुत स्मार्ट. ओके मधुचंद. लता जी, वाह लता जी.
लता जी ने
आपका
acting-
आपका आई टेक योर आंसर एनीवेज साजिया जी. व्हाई?
हाँ.
आप इतने कॉन्फिडेंटली बताया. आई लाइक एनीथिंग मोर देन बीइंग राइट और रॉन्ग. आई डोंट नो फाल्गुनी.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yes, though.
It is just guess दो, exactly. अपना जो भी है मन में guess दो. बस.
और दस दो.
Mother's Day special होता है.
Exactly.
Every year.
What do you do?
For last 5-6 years, I'm doing a breast cancer walk.
Wow.
Wow.
Every year for last 5 years.
God bless you. Wonderful.
अच्छा.
That's a noble thing.
Yeah.
And-
That's the thing I do on the Mother's Day weekend.
That's excellent.
That's
and thank you so much for
wonderful.
doing that. In fact, we do whatever we can from our end, but wonderful that you're doing this.
Please come and join us. Any bandhu wants to come and join us.
There you go.
Sure, absolutely. Why don't
It's 6-mile walk.
Shadia ji, you know what to do, right? Whenever you want to send a message to our bandhus, we have a Facebook page, just go there and post it there. Just bindas laga do wahan pe.
Haan.
And if you want to spread some word around that way about all these things.
any
we-
noble cause
Yeah,
we
Media
are
Mahima.
behind it. Media Mahima is behind it. So जरूर जाके वहाँ पे पोस्ट कर दीजिएगा. Facebook.com/radio Dhotties. वहाँ पे लगा दीजिए कि where is the walk happening and at what time it starts and
Yeah.
what's the significance behind the walk. That would be great. So if bandhus want to join you, they can join you over there as well.
And of course, happy Mother's Day to you.
Doing for last 5 years.
Wonderful.
Right.
So, happy Mother's Day to you and all the best to you and all the people who actually doing a wonderful walk over there
Yeah.
on Sunday. And
And
please, जाके Facebook पे डाल दीजिएगा please.
And FYI, लता दी की कभी शादी नहीं हुई.
Well,
she does have
FYI,
this
इसमें उन्होंने एक्टिंग भी नहीं की. I was talking about cinema.
सिनेमा जो
Yeah.
सिनी स्क्रीन पे एक्ट्रेस नहीं है
Yeah.
और फिर निजी जीवन में
That's what happens जब तुम मुझे
माँ बनी हुई है. तो
You're talking on the influence of tea, by the way.
I know that's true.
Anyway, Sanjay ji, thank you so much for calling us. जाके Facebook डाल दीजिएगा.
Facebook.com/radio Dhotties. एक और बंदे से बात किया जाए.
Let's go. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के Friday Cinema में. Who's this?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi, Pam Pam. कौन है जी?
Uncle Jana.
फरजाना.
फरजाना.
क्या नाम पाया आपने फरजाना जी. वंडरफुल वंडरफुल. तो फरजाना जी, आपने पहचाना इसमें इस गाने में सिनेमा कौन थी?
हाँ,
फरजाना जी.
फरजाना जी.
You had I was Babita and this was it, right?
I don't know.
No, but who was the cinema?
Babita, yeah.
Oh.
Karishma and Karima's mom.
Are you
Ah,
sure about the Farzana? Because you seem the brutal dancer.
absolutely, पक्का,
She knows for
100%.
sure.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Very
Okay.
good.
So Farzana ji, a very happy Mother's Day to all the moms in your life as well.
Uh-huh.
And congratulations!
Yes! Woohoo!
आपने सही बचाना आंसर. तो अब मिलेगा my wonderful sponsor Bombay to Goa की तरफ से एक wonderful सा gift certificate to
Yeah.
Farzana.
Yeah.
तो आपको जाके हमारे Facebook पे पोस्ट कर देना है #Babita
That's right.
and #Bombay to Goa and
So-
what you just identified.
तो फादरानी
हाँ.
बनता है बॉस.
क्या?
गाना.
कौन सा वाला गाना? कचरा
अच्छा
मोहब्बत
वाला.
वाला?
Yes, let's continue the Gana. Finish the Gana because I know all the moms love it.
Right, here you go.
If you didn't know about this song by the Jan, go Google it, YouTube it. It's a wonderful movie also. And the way Bristol is acted is awesome, it's priceless. Go check it out, guys.
आप सुन रहे हैं ये शाम मस्तानी जो एयर होती है बे एरिया में, यानी कि सैन फ्रांसिस्को बे एरिया में, बट सैन फ्रांसिस्को नहीं है, ये सैन होसे है, राइट?
वेरी ट्रू बच्चा, लेकिन पूरा बे एरिया कवर कर देते हैं हम लोग। अरे बे एरिया क्या पूरा कैलिफोर्निया कवर कर देते हैं हम लोग।
अरे पूरा कैलिफोर्निया क्या, पूरा वेस्ट कोस्ट कवर कर देते हैं हम लोग।
पूरा वेस्ट कोस्ट क्या पूरा अमेरिका कवर कर देते हैं हम लोग।
पूरा अमेरिका क्या, पूरा इंडिया कवर कर देते हैं हम लोग।
पूरा इंडिया अमेरिका का पूरा एशिया कवर कर देते हैं हम लोग।
पूरा एशिया क्या, पूरा वर्ल्ड कवर कर देते हैं हम लोग।
क्या पूरा वर्ल्ड का पूरा यूनिवर्स कवर कर देते हैं हम लोग। तुम बोलो भी।
पूरा यूनिवर्स क्या, त्रिलोक को कवर कर देते हैं हम लोग।
अभी त्रिलोक कौन है?
All the three worlds, all the universes. And यकीन नहीं है, भगवान से पूछो, क्यों भगवान?
Yes or no भगवान? Yes. देखा, अश्विनी वाणी, भगवान ने बोल दिया तो बस बोल दिया। हमारा शो भगवान भी सुनता है। Yes भगवान?
Yes भगवान?
अगर आप लोग भगवान से कुछ बोल रहे हैं तो कॉल कीजिएगा। भगवान सुन लेता है। बंगला मांगो, झुमका ना हार मांगो। Break her. Break.
जाएगा?
Lead. That's just right.
हाय क्या गाना है बॉस। शमशाद बेगम ने तो अरे कमाल कर दिया इस गाने में। तो बदजन अभी आप सुन रहे हैं ये शाम मस्तानी, एंड यहाँ पे गाने जो बजेंगे ना बदजन अनमोल नगमे हैं, यानी कि ऐसे गाने जो टाइमलेस क्लासिक्स हैं। कजरा मोहब्बत वाला कब निकला था? कौन से डिकेड में निकला था?
And it will keep on playing forever.
Exactly.
And of course ये तो है हमारा ये शाम मस्तानी में मस्तानी का लगाएंगे आप लोगों को जो एक्चुअली टाइमलेस क्लासिक होते हैं, जो महिमा जी अपने हृदय के पास रखे रखती है always.
हाँ, exactly.
She love these songs and we also love the song because she's love the songs.
Exactly.
And of course I hope you also love the songs you listen right now.
Yes.
And of course Banja will be back after a break anyway. But before I go on the break, I want to tell you one thing over here, Banja. This weekend, do not forget, if at all you want to go check out some houses, if you're in the market to buy a house, something like that, I would tell you to go to a particular open house organized by Yajnesh Rai. Now, I wonder who Yajnesh Rai is. Well, Yajnesh Rai actually works at Keller Williams, and he is like you and me, like an IT guy. He's IITian, by the way, and he actually is getting real estate right now. So, if you are in the business of IT and you want to know something, you want to get somebody who can understand your needs and everything, he's the right person to go to. Now, this particular open house is going to be in Campbell. So, if you're looking for a house in Campbell, think about this with a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome. Okay, it's over 1,300 square feet. I never got a grip on how I can say this right.
Yeah.
It's 1,300 square feet over here. It's super spacious. If you want to contact him, call him on his number 4085-477845. Again, 4085-477845. Yajnesh Rai.
Let me make it easy, Binajan. YajneshRai.com.
Whoa, why not think
YajNeshRai.com. And you guys want to go check out this place. And let me tell you, men, especially the ones who are expectant dads and who have moms who are on the way to becoming moms.
Surprise!
Well, the best gift for a woman is uska ghar basa do, in the sense that buy her a beautiful
so
home.
Sweet. In fact, not about just taking the open house, by the way.
Yeah, exactly. Not just saying, देखो window shopping कर लो. नहीं अगर उसका मन आ गया तो definitely, I mean, Yajnesh will help you out.
Yeah.
He's a wonderful person to work with. So जरूर YajneshRai.com check out कीजिएगा. Now, we will be back right after this break.
And as I promised, there is an extended version on Facebook. I hope you liked it. And this is for Arizona. Especially only for you in Arizona.
Pragna in Arizona.
We're going to see you back. We will see you back at Sabarizan live at 5.
That is right. 15 मिनट का छोटा सा ब्रेक लेंगे, वापस आ जाएंगे. रेडियो में सुनना 1170 AM ऐप है.
Or go to HC1170.